In this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube controls within Microsoft Power Pages and how to manipulate those YouTube video embedded controls. Now, I'm in make.powerpages.microsoft.com. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one page called as video one. Okay. And in this video one page, I will be adding some video controls, okay, which is a YouTube URL. Now, in order to navigate to the YouTube URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to my channel, I'll pick up any random video. And once I'm in a video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just right click. And instead of doing a copy video URL, what I'm going to do is I'll do a copy embed code. Okay. Now, take any editor and paste your embed code and just copy the URL from here. Okay. So now here under YouTube, I'll just paste this URL. I'll click on OK. I'll sync this changes and I'll start previewing this once the synchronization is complete. So what essentially we are doing is we are first starting with a plain YouTube video URL and then we'll start manipulating the query string. So once this is ready, let me preview this in the desktop. Now the page which we have created is video one. Now the video one basically will embed the YouTube video URL and now the video will start playing. Okay, now we can maximize this video, we can minimize it, and we can mute. So we can find all these controls over here. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, now I'll just fast forward my video. I'll come to this end and let's see what happens. Now once the video is completed, now the video is almost getting completed. It's completed now. And now, as you see over here, you see videos are being suggested by YouTube. Now, these are coming from various different channels. It's coming from basically from internet. Okay. Now, I don't want this video tiles to appear in my Power Pages site. Okay, because the Power Pages site which I'm developing is for my organization, and I don't want to randomly showcase some content from internet. So what are the different ways through which we can eliminate this? Okay, so what you can do is now this is your URL, right, which you have copied it from the embed URL. So what you can do is you can put a query string and you can just say related video is equal to 0, rel equal to 0. Okay, let's see what happens now. Now again, I'm in this video control. I'll just paste this with one query string parameter and I will sync this. So I'll just preview the video again. And again, I'm gonna fast forward this video just to see what appears after the video ends. Now, if you see, it is still showing tiles, but it is not showing tiles randomly. It is showing tiles from your own channel itself. So if you want to showcase the tile from your own channel, then yes, definitely you can use the query string parameter of rel equal to 0, so that you don't get shown all the random internet videos within your embedded video player. So that's one of the thing. What are the other thing? Now, if you want to render something, like say, take for example, if you don't want to show the entire video in the YouTube, uh, so maybe I just want to show you only, say maybe let's say 36 or 34. Okay, from 32, yeah, from 32 seconds till maybe 42 seconds. If I just want to show this segment, then how do I do that? So again, it's simple. You can start appending is done by ampersand. So ampersand start equal to 32, ampersand end equal to 40. Okay, Now what this will do, it will start the video from 32 second and end at 40 second. Okay, so let me copy this and see it in action. So once the changes are synchronized, let us preview the page. And now I'm playing this video. Okay, now it will not start from start, but it will start from 32 second. Okay, now if you see the clock over here, it is 37, 38, 39, 40, and it will stop. Okay, and then it will show you the tile as if the video has ended. So that's also one of the way, if you want to view only a part of the segment in the video, then you can use those parameter of start equal to and end equal to. Okay, now so this is about setting up those parameters. Now what if your requirement is, now let me again go back to the first scenario. If you see over here, I'll just paste this. So let me copy the correct URL. This was the earlier URL which I copied, which will, which does not have a start and end parameter, but then it will not display the related videos once the video stops playing. Okay, now it will show you related videos from your channel but not from the internet. So I'll just play this and show you how it looks. So this is the video which with a full length segment, and once it is completed, so maybe here. So this video is now getting completed. So what happens is, once the video is completed, it will show you uh, basically the tile. Okay, now what happens is that if you do not want this thing to happen, okay, in your video, then what you can do is, in video control there is an option to loop it. Okay, so what happens is, if you loop it, then once the video ends, the video will start automatically playing. Okay, so if I make this change, so let me copy the video URL again. And under settings, I'll make this loop and I'll say okay, and I'll synchronize these changes. Once it is done, I'll try previewing in the desktop. So here, now once I start playing the video, and if I fast forward this video, maybe I'll just fast forward it, and with the, once this video is done, then it replays again. Okay, so thereby you are eliminating that uh, tile, suggested tiles, even from your own YouTube channel as well. So that's also one of the way to get rid of those tiles. Okay, now if you see here, if I just paused it, it is showing me this more videos link. Now again, it is all dependent on that rel equal to 0. So what you need to do, along with the parameter which you have specified, now if you see here in the video control, I have just specified autoplay 0. Now if I put ampersand rel equal to 0, then even that more related videos link will not even appear. So that's some of the ways through which you can manipulate video controls. parameters. Now, what we have seen, what first thing what we have saw is, if you do not want to see suggested videos from YouTube, then you can use ampersand rel equal to 0 as a query string parameter. If you want to view a segment of the video, you can use ampersand start equal to 0 or whatever is the timeline, and ampersand end equal to 20. Okay, so it will start displaying the video from 0 to 20 seconds only. And if you want to do not if you don't want to show see all the suggested content even from your own channel, then it's a wise option to go into the video setting and click on loop switch. And once that is done, the video will start playing automatically, thereby eliminating the suggested video tiles from YouTube. So that's it, folks. This is how you can manipulate video controls within Microsoft Power Pages. Thanks for watching.